restless soul, sitting alone in the dark at night, thinking how I can make things right. Everything is just out of my might. Dark clouds roaming in my mind. Nightmares reach me, even out of sight. I keep wondering, when will I ever see the light? Every time they see me, I say I'm alright. I'm in a facade, making sure that all appears bright. I've been gambling with my life, always rolling a die. My soul keeps wondering when the body will ever die. Can't wait to let the bad emotions fly sky high, and let the restless soul rest in flight. Dark clouds roaming in my mind. Will I ever